take my company, for example. We took huge pride in ourselves that, being flat in our days and run fast and break things. But now is our 10th year anniversary. We become more like a, boring corporate structure. But when a large language model happened, that kept me awake at a lot of nights, that, how the organization should evolve, especially when I set aside a team to build agents and create that pops out business. I've been thinking that it definitely should not be mirroring what we have right now. So in the coffee break we had after lunch, we talk about my company. It has become more and more like a beehive structure. So in each, we have so many OPC groups. Since AI is so powerful, code generating, product designing, even user testing, feedback collection, etc. So when we incubate new projects, we now just set aside a team of 2 foundation model engineers, product managers, and maybe 1 or 2 sales and customer success folks. So like 4 or 5 people will create this team as OPC. But before, when we have a larger structure, because a lot of information got missed in human communication. But now we use Lark from ByteDance, Feishu, as our internal communication tool. So a lot of knowledge, discussion, meeting notes, recordings, even sales guys' visit to individual clients' recording get accumulated in that database. And we leverage AI to communicate between those silos so that OPC can work without having an umbrella structure. So we have so many OPCs in our groups, not necessarily 1 person, but like 5, 6 people a group. And the other thing is, you mentioned that maybe to Yam, the human will be upgraded to be a superior role, but AI is taking the inferior role. But in Black Lake, I think it's the opposite. We actually worship AI as the god, like my role, CEO, is being replaced. So we are feeding all the information to this different AI as the most senior role to have this overarching view of an organization and make the best decision on behalf of CEO. That's why I get to talk here. So I have, so I guess in summary, we have this beehive structure on the fundamental level, but we actually very aggressively, boldly using AI to make big and important decisions, equivalent of those CEO, COO type of roles as well.